Ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev's Tech Bits, and today I want to talk about what to do if your Dell laptop will not turn on. So first thing, and most importantly, breathe. Take a deep breath. It'll be okay. We'll get through this somehow. The next thing that I want you to do is pull the power out. We need to power this thing down, shut down Windows, whatever you're running, shut the computer down, unplug. And next, I want you to find the battery of the unit. Sometimes the batteries are internal and there's not much you can do about that. But if the batteries are external, like on this unit, take the battery out. A lot of the times the batteries are going to be on the back. Next, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to flip it over, open her up, turn it on. I want you to press and hold that power button for about 20 seconds. Now what you're doing here is you're getting all the power out of the system so that you can do a full reboot, and you know you're doing a full reboot. So next thing I want you to do is put that battery back in. Plug your unit back into the wall. Now once you got it all plugged back in again, it's time to open her up and try her out again. Now, in this situation, as you can see from the lights, I had some luck and I managed to get this unit on. Now, if you did not succeed in getting your system to turn on, what I recommend you do is get another power cable. Sometimes it's just your power cable going bad. Now, in these situations where the power cable could be going bad, it could be two things. It could be on the inside, where everything connects, where everything hooks up, is separated itself from the motherboard, which happens fairly regularly, unfortunately. The other thing that'll happen is sometimes the cable, just like with your headsets, you know, back in the day in the 80s, with your 3.5 headsets, the headset's always dying and you have to kind of plug it in and turn it a certain way to make it work so both microphones will work, so both speakers could work. Sometimes you have to do that. I've seen people have to bend their cables in certain directions in order to make the cables work. But yeah, that's definitely the next step you want to do. Try another cable. Now, if you're a basic PC user, these will be all of the things that you will be able to do. However, if you're a little bit more advanced, there are more tricks that you could try. So at this point, you might be getting a little bit desperate. Step that you want to take is to, if you have access to the RAM, take out the RAM. Take out both sticks of RAM, or if there's only one stick, just one stick. And then you're going to want to turn it on. You're going to want to flip the system over, turn it on when there's no RAM in it, and see if it'll make any noises, see if it'll make any beeping or anything like that. If you're still not getting any sign of life, plug these things back in and try with just one or with just the other, because sometimes it's a bad stick of RAM giving you a hard time. Now, after you've gone this far, if you can't get this thing working, you're looking at about two different options. One, just take the unit directly into the shop, or another thing you could do is find the BIOS battery in the unit and unplug that. It's basically a big watch style battery or coin size. Now, every different version of a laptop is going to have a different way to get in and disconnect that battery. So you're going to have to look up a YouTube video with your particular model. In one place it'll say your model number is right over here. Or with most laptops, if you open them up, they'll say the model number in one side or the other. Now, if you're a bit squeamish with getting into a laptop system, you're definitely going to want to give your system to a technically literate family or friend, or just take it into a computer store. There's nothing wrong with taking it into a computer store. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, that's it from me, Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. I hope I helped you out here. Like and subscribe if I have helped you, and if not, well, good luck with your next step. Anyways, also, if I have helped you, please leave the model number of the system that's been giving you problems. I'm really curious. Have a good one, folks, and take care of each other, will yous?